Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's first unlock the device, and after that let's launch the settings application. Then just click here to the security section and tap to advanced. Then you'll see here the SIM card lock. Now we can see that our SIM card lock was the PIN code. Just to remove the PIN code, click once on the switcher, enter the currently PIN, in my case that's from 1 to 4, then just tap to OK. Now we can see here the message that PIN is disabled. Then that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.